Is your bar environment as clean and safe as it should be? Maintaining a hygienic and organized bar is crucial for customer satisfaction and health compliance. Discover how eAuditor offers a digital solution to streamline cleaning tasks and ensure accountability. Structured digital checklists ensure all cleaning routines are completed thoroughly. Documenting performance helps maintain compliance with health codes. Monitor cleanliness to prevent cross-contamination on high-contact surfaces. Gain actionable insights for continuous improvement and team accountability. A structured inspection process promotes a safe and service-ready environment. Proper preparation enables a focused inspection session. Tailor bartender cleaning checklists in eAuditor to fit your needs. Train staff on cleaning standards and app usage for consistency. Ensure all cleaning supplies and PPE are accessible. Reviewing previous inspection data helps identify areas for follow-up. Inspect bar tops and counters for cleanliness and residue. Verify appropriate use of disinfectants and regular surface wiping. Review the frequency of sanitizing between customer interactions. Ensure no sticky spots or clutter during service. Clean surfaces create a positive impression and prevent contamination. Check bar tools like shakers and jiggers for proper cleaning. Verify dishwashing protocols and ensure tools are stored sanitarily. Review glassware for soap residue or damage. Inspect cutting boards and garnish containers for stains or residue. Clean tools protect drink quality and guest health. Inspect ice bins for buildup and cross-contamination. Ensure ice scoops are clean and stored outside the bin. Review bin cleaning frequency and verify sanitation logs. Confirm no glassware or hands are used to retrieve ice. Maintaining clean sinks ensures sanitary conditions and uninterrupted service. eAuditor simplifies bar hygiene monitoring, fostering accountability. Customize digital checklists to ensure nothing is missed. Everything is documented for a safer customer experience.